repeat back to the start the first mode of action again, please?
Yes, yes.
Because my team cannot connect your ก็น้องๆครับงั้นเดี๋ยวเราจะไปเรื่อง mode of action ซึ่งเป็นกระบวนเริ่ม start นะครับตัวนี้ก็สำคัญมากนะครับเนาะได้เรียนรู้ไปด้วยกันนะครับครับ let you start
Here. I start here. Okay.
yes
So,
yes yes yes
exactly. So, you see that with oregano oil, E. coli is destroyed. So, this bacteria is not active. It cannot kill the animal. And oregano essential oil.
Sorry to my class, Elias. During your presentation, please, some people can connect. Please accept them also for 2 or 3 person. During your present, but you can continue. Please, thank you so much.
I think now is okay. Okay. So they enter the carbapenem and thymol enter the bacteria through the lipids on the membrane of the bacteria cells, and they make the cell not to be strong, so they cause damage intracellularly inside the bacteria, and they have a leakage of potassium. So carvacrol dissociates and carries the potassium to the outside environment, the external environment. So the bacteria has inactivation of all the enzymes, loss of pressure and energy, and the cytoplasmic pH of the bacteria go down, decreases. So it can go out all the cytoplasmic material. So carvacrol and thymol can kill the bacteria. So oregano essential oil, because it breaks the membrane, reduces the potential of membrane and the production of ATP. Then the bacteria, they have low intracellular ATP, low energy, and eventually we have the cell death of the bacteria. They don't have energy, they don't have fuel for the cellular functions, and they cannot use the sodium-potassium pump. So not only the energy, but also the proteins. So the oregano essential oil breaks some proteins, like the flagellins. Salmonella must have some flagellins to adjust, to hold the intestine cells. And oregano oil break this protein, the flagellins of the salmonella. So it's a damage to bacterial membranes. We have a leakage of all the cytoplasmic components outside to the external environment. The cytoplasmic enzymes are inactive, not working anymore. The cellular pH decreases and also inhibit the production of flagellants.
มันก็คือต้องเปิดในเมลนี้บอกว่ามันต้องเปิดในวัน
Here is salmonella. These are the flagellants that when you use oregano oil, these are broken. They are small. And all the clostridium, all the salmonella cannot enter the bird or the
ปกติไม่เป็นนะเฮียคนอินเอ็กเนี่ย
or the
คราว
pig.
ที่แล้วก็ชอบมาส่งมาเลย
แล้วก็หาไม่เจอไง
Here is in vitro study on lethal dosage of oregano oil against Eimeria tenella, Eimeria cervulina, Eimeria maxima. As I told you, the normal dosage is bacteriostatic, but a high dosage is bactericidal, so they can kill. So when we use oregano oil, you see that the sporocytes are broken, and here ruptured, broken, abnormal, destroyed. So even if you see the oocysts, they cannot enter the cell. They are not functioning. They are not working anymore. We did a trial with oregano essential oil against Evant, that is a coccidia vaccine, and we used 10 times the dosage of coccidia vaccine to make a challenge. And we see that with oregano oil, the pathogens that are exposed in the lumen are not so strong, but the beneficial bacteria are strong, and the epithelium of the intestine gets much better. Here is the control epithelium. You see that the villus height is normal, but with EcoDR, the villus height is double, is better structure of the intestine. Bacteria, oregano essential oil can kill all the bacteria, but also can kill the mucus. It has a strong very low dosage of oregano, very strong effect against the mucus. But for bacteria, sometimes we can use a normal dosage, but sometimes we need to use a higher dosage. Dr. Sipamas on face accepted. For MIC, minimum bacteriostatic concentration or minimum inhibitory concentration. For some bacteria is low, but for some bacteria maybe we need to increase the dosage. Okay, because we have the minimum inhibitory, this is bacteriostatic, but if we have higher dosage, we have also bactericidal activity of the oregano oil. So, as I told you, the natural products are like the L-amino acids, whereas the synthetic products are like DL amino acids that are not the same effective, sometimes maybe even be harmful. Also, with a combination oregano with garlic in one trial in 2020, we find that we have less E. coli and less Enterobacteriaceae, but with lactobacillus that are good bacteria, we don't kill the good bacteria with oregano because we need the good bacteria, the beneficial bacteria. Here you see what is the big diffusion activity of the oregano against E. coli. And we measure the MIC, the minimum inhibitory activity, by disk diffusion assay. We put bacteria and then we put different compounds, and we found that with oregano we have very strong antibacterial activity. Here is a normal dosage against the Eimerial Tenella, and you see that 100 ml of oregano essential oil is more active compared to robenizine. And oregano is much stronger compared to garlic. So oregano oil is a very good anti-protozoal in vitro activity. We get oocysts of Eimerial Tenella, and then we put in the tubes oregano or robenizine or DMSO, and we see that at the high dosage,
ฮัลโหลครับ
oregano is more strong even compared to probenecid.
ครับ
Here you see the oasis
มั
at
น
the low
หมายถึง
dosage,
ยังไงนะครับอ๋อมันเป็น
but
ขวดเดียว
at the higher dosage,
ที่มีตัว
very few
โคลนที่เป็นตัว
oasis
ND อะครับ กับตัว
are
ของแมส
existing.
อยู่ในขวดเดียวกันอยู่แล้วเนาะใช่ครับ
Garlic,
189
here there are
ครับ
more
ใช่
nuclears
ครับ
of
ใช่ครับ
oasis, and even at the same dosage with
125
oregano 100,
คือที่เป็นตั
oregano
ว
is much
ND โคนเดียว
stronger compared to garlic.
อ่าในผมส่งเป็น
This
ลิขิต
product
ให้
is
ครับ
residue free because these compounds are natural compounds. They are not antibiotics, they are not drugs, so they don't give
อ๋อ มันเป็นสองขวด
residue. We
ใช่
have zero
เพราะมันเป็นขวดเดียวกัน
withdrawal period. In USA or in EU, it is generally recognized as safe compound, as natural compound, so we don't have to stop using the product before slaughter the
ตัว
animals.
มันจะเป็น2 product นะครับ ก็คือตัว 4/91 อันนี้จะเป็น1 ตลับ
In
ที่จะใช้อยู่แล้วเนาะ
sensitive
แล้วก็จะมีอีกตัวหนึ่งจะเป็นตัว ND บวก IB ก็คือจะเป็นตัว ND5 โคนตัวนี้จะมี
chicken meat
IB
or
mass
the
1
pork
ตัว
meat
กับตัว
does not
ND
change the
ที่
smell,
เป็นลาโซต้า
but
1
it
ตัว
has
ครั
a
บ
better chicken aroma, a better
ใช่ครับ
pork aroma because the lipid
ก็คือจะมี IB เพิ่มมาอีกตัวหนึง
tangible, are not destroyed, so they are a nice fresh aroma, a good texture,
อ่า
good appearance, and good flavor, nice odor of normal meat.
289
Check. EcoDR is reliable and safe. You can use it together with
จะ
enzymes,
มี IB เพิ่ม
with
มาอีกตัวหนึ่ง
vitamins,
แต่มันกัน
with
โรคได้
minerals, with
เพิ่มอี
organic
ก
acids
หลายส
or
เตนนะครับ
acidifiers,
20 กว่าสเตน
and even
คุ้มกว่า
you can use it together with antibiotics or
อันนี้คือ
anticoccidial.
ปกติแล้ว
If
เจ้า
you
อื่น
have
ได้
a
ประมาณ
mortality
200
with
กว่า อันนี้
10%,
ผมลดให้เหลือ
you can
189 ตั้ง
use
แต่แรกเลย
EcoDR powder in the
ใช่
feed,
ครับ
double the dosage, but you can use also antibiotics in the water in the pipeline. So it is a perfect
ใช่เรามี
solution,
ND อย่างเดียว
combination. Even in pelleted
อ๋อ
feed,
เปล่าครับ คือ2 ขวดเท่าเดิมผสมเหมือนเดิมเลย
you don't lose more than 5 or 10%, even if you go in very high temperature. So the product stay,
นอน
the
เลยใช่ไหมครับ
EcoDR
ได้
stay
เดี๋ยวผมจะได้ขี้
inside
เลย
the feed for 3 and 6 months,
น้องบาจีนค
even
รับ
if you use a very high speed at the pelleting machine, even
เดี๋ยว
if
ส่
you
งให้พรุ่ง
go
นี้เลยครับบาจีน
to 90 or to 120%. We have 98% of the product is stay inside. It is not toxic. Even if you go double the dosage, it's not toxic. Maybe for layers they stop drinking water because they understand the taste, but it is not toxic. You not kill the animals with oregano oil, with EcoDR. It's a natural product. If you have diarrhea in pigs, if you have this ileitis, we use EcoDR and everything then is much more clean, much more better situation in pigs. We had a big farm with 450 sows, the negative control and EcoDR at 2 dosages, normal and high dosage, and we have better body weight in the normal dosage and in the high dosage of EcoDR. Not see, but you see daily gain of body weight was 572 grams per day in the control, and we have more than 100 grams per piglet per day at the dosage, at the normal dosage of EcoDR 500. So if you use
ฮัลโหลครับพี่
EcoDR
ก้านทุก
in
คน
the piglet
ไม่
feed,
งง
you
และ
will
ที่ให้อี
have
กทีก็คือ
higher body weight and less FCR, less feed, and very less diarrhea score, less than 2%, where control has 3%. So EcoDR at 500 grams per ton of feed gave a very good effect on piglets with ill-80s and much better body weight compared to the control, more than 100 grams. Another trial with villus hide and the enzymes, higher enzymatic activity, did villus hide better digestibility, better absorption of the feed. Almost 0.5 piglet per sow better, more than 500 grams per piglet in the EcoDR group. This trial was in USA, in Minnesota. So, EcoDR is good as appetizer, is a good growth promoter, and it makes prevention of diarrhea, E. coli, Salmonella, Clostridium perfidans, and even Coccidia parasites and Lawsonia intracellularis. It kills all the bacteria, all the protozoa, all the viruses. So the dosage is for lactating sows from 350 grams to 1,000 grams, 1 kilo EcoDR per ton of feed, but we suggest a dosage from 0.5 to 1 kilogram EcoDR powder in the ton of feed. For broilers and breeders, again, we can use it to decrease diarrhea and to stop the mortality, to have dry feces. When you have poor intestine tract, the FCR goes up, the livestock performance is low, is bad, but with EcoDR, the intestine becomes normal, thick, and absorb all the nutrients. So we can use EcoDR to have a more healthy intestine. Here is a normal intestine, but here is when we have Itenella, the cecum becomes bigger, but then you can also have blood in the intestine. Wet feces, so FCR, here you lose corn, you lose protein, you lose soybean meal, you lose protein, you lose energy. With EcoDR, you have dry and normal feces. In chickens, we can use either 250 or 300 or 550, 500 EcoDR powder in the feed. On growth promotion study on broilers, with 20,000 broilers in every group, FCR with EcoDR was decreased and body weight was increased with EcoDR powder compared to the control birds. In the Middle East, for 33 days, EcoDR powder 350 per milligram per kilogram or 350 grams per ton of feed. In the control, they used polystyrene, zinc bacitracin, and organic acid. And you see with EcoDR better FCR and very good body weight and very good production index comparable with all the antibiotics. They used 3 different antibiotics, and with EcoDR you get the same. We have several trials, either with EcoDR liquid or with EcoDR powder, and we get with oregano, we get much better body weight compared to the challenge birds. And the FCR is lower, especially compared to the challenge chickens or to the control chickens. Mortality rate with oregano much lower compared to the control or to the challenge chickens. We have several trials with the efficacy of oregano oil compared to the coccidiostats or to the negative control. Always in broilers and in layer hens, we can use EcoDR powder in the feed. In the layers, we use a little bit lower dosage. In the broilers, 150, 350, 500 grams or up to 700 grams per ton of feed is an effective dosage of EcoDR powder in poultry. And of course, we have also the human product with the company Aroma Vita, that is the sister company of EcoFarm Hellas. That is the company in Kilkis, 50 kilometers away from Thessaloniki, is a company that produces the oregano oil, the EcoDR powder, and the EcoDR liquid. So, Jeep, please send us a new link. We make now a 5 minutes break. So all the colleagues can have some questions, and we can have a talk for 30 minutes with Dr. Sivichai and all the colleagues from the CP Advanced Group. Okay?
Okay.
So, Dr. Sivichai?
Yeah.
Oh, really good presentation. So effective. How about our team?
So maybe we can have a 5 minutes break, and then Chip will send us a new Zoom link, and we can start with questions.
Kun Jeff, if you lost a time the connection, you can please connect again and get help from Elias to admit all of them. น้องมีคำถามอะไรเชิญถามได้เลยครับ
เดี๋ยวเขาบอกว่าเดี๋ยวงั้นเบรกแป๊บนึงแล้วเดี๋ยวจิ๊บส่งลิงก์ให้ใหม่แล้วเดี๋ยวกลับมาพร้อมคำถามก็ได้ค่ะ
ดีไหมครับน้องๆดีไหมครับ
อีก3 นาทีมันจะตัดละงั้นเดี๋ยวเบรกแป๊บนึงเนาะเผื่อไปเข้าห้องน้ำ
เริ่มกี่นาทีครับน้องๆครับฮัลโหลให้น้องๆกำหนดเลยอยากเลิกตอนที่มันบ่าย20 นาที
ค่ะ
สักกี่นาทีโหครับจะจำมาตอนบ่าย2เท่าไหร่ครับ